Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best home theater speakers in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best home theater speakers. The 5th product on our list is Klipsch R-41SA. Klipsch's R-41SA speakers are a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable Dolby Atmos speaker, with immersive 3D sound that puts you right in the middle of the action. Each R-41SA comes with a 4-inch woofer and 1-inch driver in a compact 2-way design. DTS:X and Dolby Atmos encoded content really shine, with the R-41SAs giving you that extra bit of oomph, especially in smaller rooms. Planning a full surround system? The R-41SAs can pair with other Klipsch reference speakers for a balanced sound profile. Plus, these speakers' angled form factor make it easy to position them properly for better sound, or even wall mounting. Their shape and excellent sound profile make these speakers a go-to pick for stunning Dolby Atmos sound, and then some. Even if you're just looking to add the cherry on top to your current setup, you can't go wrong with these. Up next in 4th place is the SVS Prime Tower speaker. When you're ready to add a tower speaker to your setup, you can't go wrong with this option from SVS. It shines with crisp, dynamic audio across treble, mids, and bass. The 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter produces clear and detailed treble. You'll hear even from off angles, which makes it a prime choice for that feature alone. Vocals and mids get a smooth, natural tone thanks to this speaker's 4.5-inch mid-range driver. And dual 6.5-inch fiberglass woofers make sure you get distortion-free bass. Want to make sure you're getting tower speakers that look good in the room you plan on putting them in? This speaker has a simple, minimalist design that should fit into any style of decor, especially given its lack of grills or speaker-esque definition you see in so many other models. Need more than one? Pair 2 up for a larger surround sound setup. Whether you're a serious audiophile or just need to fill a missing piece in your home theater setup, the SVS Prime speakers check every box and then some. The 3rd product on our list is the Polk Audio T30. The Polk Audio T30 is a great center channel speaker that delivers a solid audio experience for less, thanks to its dual 5.25-inch woofers and a 1-inch tweeter. Its compact size doesn't keep it from filling small to medium-sized rooms with lush sound, making it a superb option for any budget. The bass is surprisingly rich for the speaker size, but no one is complaining. Bringing the T30 into a complete 5.1 home theater system is super simple, especially if you're using other Polk products. But you don't have to buy the same make and model to vibe with this speaker. It's compatible with a range of home theater options, from a simple 2.0 or 2.1 system to a more complex 5.1, 7.1, or 9.1 surround sound arrangement. For the price, the T30 is an excellent option when it comes to center channel speakers. It won't break the bank and does exactly what it sets out to do. The 2nd product on our list is the Fluance DB10W. The Fluance DB10W is a subwoofer that can transform just about any living room into a booming theater. At its core is a hefty 10-inch driver, delivering bass deep enough to feel in your bones. It's like having your own personal IMAX theater. Plus, thanks to its Class D amplifier, which supplies a steady 45 watts of RMS power and peaks at 120 watts, your audio stays consistently clear and powerful, no matter how intense the sound gets. The DB10W also features a variable low-pass filter, which lets you tailor the bass output to fold in seamlessly with other speakers for a more balanced sound. And there's phase control, which lets you sync the subwoofer with the acoustics of your home for a better listening experience overall. The subsonic filter is the unsung hero here, quietly eliminating low-frequency rumbles that could muddy your sound. This means you get cleaner, purer listening no matter whether you're watching sports, movies, or even cartoons. If you need the perfect subwoofer to top off your new sound setup, you can't go wrong with this one. Before we reveal number 1, Be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Triangle Borea BR03. The Triangle Borea BR03 bookshelf speakers fill a room with sounds so balanced and rich that you might forget about adding a subwoofer. These bass-heavy boomers handle the low end of the audio spectrum with ease, with mids and highs that make a smooth, promising soundstage. These speakers are as much a treat for the eyes as they are for the ears. Available in several finishes, they can complement your home decor with ease. They can slide into any room's overall look pretty nicely, and they also appear quite modern, unlike some of their contemporaries. With a front-facing port, you won't have to worry about placing these speakers near a wall and getting muffled sound either. For those in the market for passive bookshelf speakers that don't compromise on quality, the Triangle Borea BR03 is the best you can get at this price point. If you do crave more bass, you might need to bring in a subwoofer or consider larger speakers, both of which issues are easily resolved by putting together an entire home theater audio system. That's all for our list of the 5 best home theater speakers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.